Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can turn active on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, access your Instagram app on your mobile phone. Now here in this home section you will find this kind of interface, right? All you have to do is afterwards tap on this profile icon given in the below right corner. Afterwards tap on this three horizontal line on top. And now tap on this first option, settings and privacy. Now here in this section you have to scroll a bit and go to this how others can interact with you section and tap on this option of messages and story replies. Now you will find the second section which says who can see you are online. If you go to show activity status, if you by default your activity status has been turned off or your toggles look to be gray, then you can simply tap on them. And when they are turned to blue, that means they are turned on. Now your activity status for Instagram is turned on automatically. Now you can go to your Instagram just like you do, and your activity status will be turned on. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.